We got the Tribit Stormbox Blast 2. Gonna do a test today with extra bass off first, then on. I'll run through the different light modes and all that. So first light mode off, obviously. Second one, it's extra bass. Second one is it just like kind of beats to the music and all that. You can select some I do like they added now. They can't do on the previous one is you can select what different light you have, so you can select for the middle, you can select if it just does bass and treble, blah blah blah, this bass, treble, blah blah blah, bass, treble for the sides and all that. I have this adjusted to my own custom, which y'all can do on yours. It's got 3 different ones. This one goes in and out, so like as the beat goes, it'll go beat out, and sometimes it'll go in like random, or you can select for it to just go out or in and whatever. And this one kind of just beats to the music. I don't really know, I'll have to show you. So we'll start with the first one, extra bass off. Here we go. This is 70% volume. Bass on. Just kick it up to say 90. Extra bass off. On. Crank it up a little more.
Yeah, you're damn right. Already gave you my love once, but now I'm fed up. Gonna take it all back, 'cause we're a no-go. I know that I do better solo, so move along for God and shadow. Better get it right this time around. Yeah, we're a no-go. I know that I do better solo, so move along for God and shadow. Better get it right this time.
Too loud. It gets beyond like exceptional hearing range levels. Okay, so that's the Tribit Stormbox Blast 2. Some features that I do like that they added is they added X3D sound, so that kind of makes it like dimensional. Like I had it over, say like down there, it'll like make it kind of sound wide the sound will be very wide, like a miniature surround sound to say. Also, with the new feature of I don't know how big that woofer is, but okay, well, the finger compared to, I don't know, stupid, but it sounds good, dude. I heard some people saying that it had muddy sound. No, it doesn't. It has very good sound. The mid ranges definitely do a lot compared to the Tribit Stormbox 1, with the addition of the woofer that only plays low notes, so that means you get higher bass clarity, and it sounds very good. And something else on the Stormbox Blast 1 that's not comparable to this is once you reach about above 70% volume on the Stormbox Blast 1, the bass kind of cuts out. This, it doesn't. It keeps going up. So that's why they included a 80-watt subwoofer with 2 treble speakers and 2 tweeters separately, so they can reach that higher volume of bass. And overall, it's a very good speaker. 180 watts unplugged and 200 watts plugged in. It's not that different. You can't really hear it. I think it has a little more bass plugged in, not too sure. And yeah, that's the final review of the Tribit Stormbox Blast 2. Very good speaker, worth the price. Yeah, beats the JBL boombox. Say that. Alright, have a good day. I would recommend this. Yeah.